Hey guys, today we're making mousse au chocolat, which is a French recipe. It's a French dessert, um, basically made out of dark chocolate, eggs, sugar, some rum for flavor, and whipped cream. So we're gonna cut up the chocolate now, which we have to melt over steaming water. We need 200 grams of chocolate, one egg, two egg yolks, 25 grams of sugar, 300 grams of whipped cream, and a little bit of rum. Now we're gonna cut up the chocolate, which is really tough to do, but it will help you to get done quicker. Well, the chocolate is basically just gonna melt faster, so we're gonna cut it up into chunks like that, which is enough. Guys, the chocolate is chopped up like that perfectly, and we have our pot here. I turned that on about like 3 minutes ago, and in with the chocolate. And melt the chocolate in here. Very important. Make sure you have it on medium heat. We're almost there, guys. You guys can see the chocolate, a dark chocolate right there. Here we go, guys. The chocolate is ready, melted. Beautiful, great temperature, didn't burn, just the way it's supposed to be. Take it off the heat. And now we're coming in with the eggs. We have one whole egg and 2 egg yolks. 25 grams of sugar over here. We're gonna beat till the sugar dissolves, until we have like a nice yellowish color, and then we're ready to go. Exactly. So guys, we're gonna beat that. Make sure the sugar dissolves, and we have to make sure that the egg yolk is not getting too hot. Okay. So you check maybe with your hand. Check the temperature. Okay. Which is okay, but we're gonna go down a little bit to make sure we don't have scrambled eggs in here. Very important. We have to get all the corners, okay? Whisk it like a champ. Yeah, so guys, we're ready here. Beautiful. Right here, I'm preparing my water, my cold water, to cool this mixture down so we can combine it with whipped cream. You need for them to both have the same temperature. So when we combine everything together, the whipped cream doesn't melt in the chocolate. And now we combine the chocolate with the egg mixture, okay? Make sure we get everything in here. Okay, so now we have the chocolate in here with the egg mixture. Okay guys, so now, as you can see, beautiful. Nice and shiny, creamy, sticky. That's what we wanted. And now we're gonna go make the whipped cream. Okay guys, here's the cream, 300 milliliters of cream in. We're gonna whisk that. We're gonna whisk that with the hand, because you're gonna get, at the end, you're gonna get the better result than when you do it with the mixer. Because with the mixer, you can like overbeat it. It could happen that you beat it too much, and at the end, you're gonna have something else, something that you didn't want. So we're working with our arms, healthy arms, okay? Get those guns out. And here we go, guys. Our whipped cream, nice and ready. As you can see, turn it around. Perfect. We're gonna add that rum to the chocolate. Combine this. Here we go, guys, the chocolate. And it gets kind of tough, but it's no problem. We'll figure it out. And then go in here with the whipped cream, little by little, and combine. And we're going with the rest of the whipped cream in. Make sure we have no waste, guys. All in, okay? Beautiful. And this is how we're gonna do it, okay? You wanna take your time for this, you know? You don't wanna be in a rush, in a hurry. At home, you should take your time for this. In a kitchen, okay. Out there, it's different times, you know? Things work, things are differently out there. All right, guys, so this is it. And now we're gonna cool it for 2 hours, and I'll show you what happens next. And here we go, guys. Here's the mousse au chocolat. Ready? As you can see, I turn it around. Okay? I turn it upside down, and you see perfectly. Mousse au chocolat. And I'm gonna serve this for you guys. Yeah. I'm gonna take 2 spoons right there and get the job done. Wow. Some amazing cherry sauce, in which we have some star anise, some cloves, a little bit of lime zest, orange zest, and we have in here some cinnamon, yeah, and of course some sugar, and a little bit of cornstarch to thicken it. We'll go like this. Beautiful. Top with some powder. Beautiful. Sugar. Perfect. Ready for service. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon.